In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to revert Outlook Classic Ribbon View. If you find the newer interface a bit overwhelming or simply prefer a more familiar layout, switching back to the Classic Ribbon can make your experience much smoother and easier to navigate. To get started, open your Microsoft Outlook application on your computer. You can do this by clicking the Outlook icon from your desktop, taskbar, or Start menu. Once the program launches, you'll be taken to the main dashboard, where you can see your inbox, calendar, and other essential features. With Outlook open, shift your attention to the upper right corner of the window. In this area, you'll find a small button that controls how the ribbon is displayed. This option is usually represented by a compact icon, often with a drop-down indicator. Go ahead and click on it to reveal the available display settings. After clicking, a menu will appear showing several ways you can adjust the ribbon layout. These options typically include hiding the ribbon entirely, showing only the tabs, or displaying the full ribbon in different styles. Since the goal here is to bring back a more traditional and structured interface, look for the option labeled Classic Ribbon within that menu. Once you select the Classic Ribbon option, the change will take effect immediately. You'll notice that the toolbar updates to a more familiar layout, with clearly defined sections and tools that are easier to access at a glance. This version is designed to resemble earlier Outlook interfaces, which many users find more intuitive and less cluttered. Using the Classic Ribbon can help streamline your workflow by keeping commonly used features visible and organized. It reduces the need to click through multiple layers of menus, making everyday tasks like composing emails, organizing folders, and managing your calendar more efficient. And just like that, you've successfully switched your Outlook interface back to the Classic Ribbon view. It's a simple adjustment, but one that can make a noticeable difference in how comfortable and productive you feel while using the application. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.